Hello everyone. Today we will share with you our top 10 tips on how to save money fast. Saving money is incredibly important. It gives you financial security, and provides you with a safety net, in case of emergencies and other needs. There's no better time to start saving money, than right after this video. So please stay tuned. Tip number 1, track your expenses to understand your spending habits. Before you can craft a realistic budget that you can actually follow, you have to know first where your money is going. Start by identifying and categorizing your expenses for the month into small buckets, such as rent, food, entertainment, and so on. The goal is to incorporate good spending habits in your daily living. Tip number 2, create a budget. There's nothing better than the good old-fashioned way of planning ahead using a budget. Start with your income for the month and allocate it to these 3 buckets: needs, wants, and savings. Set spending limits for each type of expense and stick to it as much as possible. Needs are the things that you require in your day-to-day life. This includes your basic necessities like rent, utilities, food, and transportation. Wants are the things that would make you happy and comfortable. This includes fun activities like travel, entertainment, and shopping. Savings are what remains after you have spent for your needs and wants. This is what you set aside for emergencies, investment, retirement, and other personal goals. Tip number 3, save automatically and regularly. When you receive your income, set aside a portion of it for your savings. By removing it from your spending wallet, you can avoid using it for purchasing your needs and wants. Tip number 4, save on rent, utilities, and other recurring bills. Identify areas where you can downsize and downgrade. If you're living in an expensive apartment, check if it's more practical for you to live in a smaller apartment or in a cheaper area. If you're incurring high utility bills, try to do small adjustments like reducing water usage for bath and laundry, turning off appliances when not in use, or weatherproofing your home to reduce consumption. Also, consider cutting your cable, landline, or other utilities that you are no longer using as much as before. Tip number 5, save on food. You can save a lot of money by following a weekly meal plan and grocery shopping, instead of splurging on fast food or restaurant takeouts. By having weekly intervals, you'll have a smaller chance of throwing spoiled food, and you'll also save on gas by having less trips to the grocery store. Also, be mindful on where you shop for groceries since there are stores that are cheaper than others. Lastly, make sure to take advantage of sales and promotions on items that you regularly need. Tip number 6, unsubscribe or unfollow mailing lists, pages, stores, and accounts that feed your urge to buy wants. Remember, your goal is to curb your wants so that you can put your money into savings. Tip number 7, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Before buying new items, check if there's anything that you can reuse or recycle at home. You can also check with your family or friends, if they have any unused items that you can get for free or for a cheaper price. Explore online platforms where you can swap your unused items for those that you need. Tip number 8, try cheaper but good quality brands. Shift to cheaper but quality brands for food, clothing, toiletries, and other stuff. These are just as good but won't break the bank. Tip number 9, use a 24-hour rule for wants. Wait for at least a day to rethink and to settle down your excitement on that great find, before making your purchase. Also, don't shop while you're hungry, because you'll have a tendency to buy anything to satiate your hunger. Remember, even if it has a great price, it's a waste of money if you don't really need it. Tip number 10, save your coins. Buy a piggy bank where you can drop your small change. A little amount goes a long way, especially if you do it regularly. That's all for now. We hope that our tips will help you achieve your saving goals. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.